That's not snow, that's sugar chunks from the feeding supplement I put on top of their hive over the winter. This is a dead hive after the cold snap. It was alive 2 weeks ago before the cold snap. Dead now. This guy over here, he's just a visitor. I should say this girl, sorry. Plenty of food. Treated them for mites. This was a fairly full hive going into the winter. Not sure what happened. But they are all dead. I don't know if you can see all those bees in there. And then down here, all dead. Appreciate any suggestions. Thanks.